Hey everyone, welcome back to AI and the Future Beyond the Horizon. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we've got another exciting episode for you, brought to you in partnership with Prime Time, where we bring you the latest insights into the technologies shaping tomorrow. We're diving into one of the most groundbreaking fields today: artificial intelligence in healthcare.
That's right, AI is making waves in the healthcare industry, from diagnosing diseases to helping doctors make more accurate decisions. It's even being used to personalize treatments for patients. So today, we're talking about how AI is revolutionizing medicine and what that means for the future of healthcare.
Exactly. We'll look at how AI is improving diagnostics, the ways it's aiding in drug discovery, and even how AI could potentially extend our lives. But of course, we also need to talk about the challenges and ethical questions that come with AI in healthcare.
Okay, let's start with something that has a huge impact on all of us: AI in diagnostics. There's been a lot of buzz around AI systems that can analyze medical images, like X-rays and MRIs, and detect things like tumors or fractures more accurately than humans.
Yeah, AI's ability to spot patterns in medical images is a game changer. Some AI systems can detect things that even experienced radiologists might miss. In fact, studies have shown that AI can sometimes outperform human doctors in diagnosing certain conditions, like early stage lung cancer.
And it's not just imaging. AI is also being used to analyze patient data, like lab results and medical histories, to make predictions about a person's risk of developing diseases like diabetes or heart disease. It's almost like having a personalized health monitor that's always on.
Right. And the great part is that AI is constantly learning from new data, so it's improving over time. The more it's used, the more accurate it becomes. This could potentially save lives by catching diseases early and preventing serious health issues down the road.
Another area where AI is really making an impact is in drug discovery. Developing new drugs traditionally takes years of research, and it can be incredibly expensive. But AI is speeding up that process.
Exactly. AI can analyze massive data sets of chemical compounds to predict how different drugs will interact with the human body. It can also identify potential side effects or even come up with new drug combinations faster than traditional methods.
And AI has already been used to help find treatments for diseases like COVID-19. In fact, there were AI systems that helped identify possible antiviral compounds within weeks of the virus being discovered.
That's pretty wild. With AI speeding up drug development, we could see breakthroughs in treatments for diseases that have been hard to cure, like Alzheimer's or cancer.
Now let's talk about personalized medicine. This is where AI can take all that patient data, from genetics to lifestyle choices, and create treatment plans that are tailored to an individual's specific needs.
Personalized medicine is huge because it moves away from the one size fits all approach. Instead, AI can analyze a patient's unique genetic makeup and predict how they'll respond to certain treatments, ensuring that they get the best care possible.
Exactly. And this can lead to more effective treatments with fewer side effects. AI could even help doctors figure out which drugs will work best for a patient based on their genetic profile.
But that also brings up some concerns, right? I mean, if we're talking about genetic data, there's a whole lot of privacy and security issues to consider. How do we make sure this data stays protected and isn't misused?
Yeah, that's a big one. AI in healthcare could open the door to all kinds of privacy risks, and we'll need to make sure there are safeguards in place to protect patients' information.
Speaking of concerns, let's dig into some of the challenges and ethical issues surrounding AI in healthcare. One major question is accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who's responsible?
That's the million-dollar question. If an AI misdiagnoses a patient or recommends an ineffective treatment, does the blame fall on the developers, the hospital, or the AI itself?
It's tricky because AI can be so complex And sometimes the decision making process is a black box, meaning we don't fully understand how the AI arrived at its conclusion.
And then there's the issue of bias. If AI is trained on data that's not diverse enough, it could end up making biased decisions, particularly when it comes to diagnosing people from different backgrounds. That's a major concern in healthcare, where fairness is critical.
Absolutely. So, as we continue to integrate AI into healthcare, we need to make sure these systems are transparent, unbiased, and accountable. It's about finding a balance between innovation and ethics.
So, looking ahead, what do you think the future holds for AI in healthcare? Will we see AI doctors running hospitals?
Maybe not hospitals run entirely by AI, but I do think AI will become even more embedded in our healthcare systems. In the future, we could have AI assisted surgeries, robots that provide care, or even AI systems that monitor our health 24/7, preventing emergencies before they happen.
And the integration of AI with other technologies, like wearable health monitors or gene editing tools, could revolutionize the way we prevent and treat diseases. We might even see personalized treatments that are tailored to every individual from birth to old age.
Yeah, AI could completely change how we approach health, not just as a response to illness, but as a way to enhance our well being and extend our lifespans. The possibilities are endless. Well, that's a wrap on today's episode of AI and the Future Beyond the Horizon. We've only scratched the surface of AI's impact on healthcare, and we'll continue to explore this topic in future episodes.
Definitely. We've got a lot more to dive into, like AI in education, AI in the arts, and even its role in tackling global challenges. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned.
Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep exploring the future.